All right, so let me show you how we can create a node, how to work with Node.js. All right, so let's see, where are we? CD? Can everybody see my screen? All right, so let's go CD into web dev. Oops. Any questions? Let me make sure that there are no questions out there. Chat. Any questions in the chat? No? Okay. If you have any questions, please leave them on the chat and I'll try to get to them. Or feel free to interrupt me. Okay, so let's see, where are we? Web dev, let's go to 2020. Let's go into cs5610 online. And so right now we have 2 client applications, all right, and we have 1 server application, which is implemented in Java. All right, so we're going to create an additional server application, but we're going to be using Node.js. Right, so let's create a directory, web dev server, right? But this is going to be a Node.js server. Okay, so we have a directory, web dev server, and then Node. So we can go into that directory, and obviously we already have installed Node.js, and so we can create a Node.js project using the NPM Node Package Management tool, right? And we can say NPM init, right? So this is going to create a Node.js project, and it's going to use by default the name of the folder that we're in. It's going to use that as the default name for our project. So it's asking you, is that the name you want? I'm going to say yes. So it's going to give me a whole bunch of defaults. I'm going to keep most of these defaults. So what version, description. So this is a sample or simple Node.js server middle tier. Okay. The entry point. This allows you to package this as a module so that others, just like we can do npm install packages. Well, we can create our own package, right? And the entry point of that package that would be loaded and imported dynamically would be this index.js. So we're going to say yes. That's the default test commands. We don't have a test command. If this is deployed into a Git repository, you could document it here. Keywords, right? So Node.js. Okay, author, so Jose Annunziato. License, this is okay. So what it does is that it creates for us a JSON file, right? Create it, and it's called, that file is going to be called package.json. Is this okay? Yep, that's the file we want. If you notice, the only file in here right now is the package.json. See that? Great. This is what makes this folder a Node.js project, right? This one file, package.json. This package.json is kind of the equivalent in Java of the pom.xml file, right? And what it does is that it has its content, right, is the description of this project. And in particular, we'll see in a minute, it lists also any dependencies that the project has with other libraries. Okay. All right, so there we go. So we have a Node.js package, a Node.js project.